quick tutorial on how to use the BESST Bafang programming box with the M600 motor. I'm using the software version 1.23, which doesn't have the work offline button, but it does add the option to calibrate a motor to the controller. So if you had to replace the controller with a new unit, you need to calibrate the motor to the new controller. So you would need to have the 1.23 version. So what I'll do is you don't click any of the options, you just click X and move on. Never update. So click login. Then make sure to reset your box so it doesn't have anything on it. So now it's clear. I'll connect it to the motor. Display lights up. BEST is working, so we'll select tools, select controller, connect. Read. So now it's reading. As you can see, I had to click a few times. Sometimes I need to click and read and connect and reset the box a few times. Sometimes it can work 10 times in a row without having to reset it. So now is position sensor calibration. That's what we want to do. I don't know if you won't see it, but I'm hearing it. The motor is spinning. That's it. The motor is now calibrated. So we'll update the firmware. So we go on to update. Then select controller, read. So this is the 14.5 firmware, the AKA Luna firmware. This is a ludicrous version, so that's the reason it has the 14.5. So I'll get a file from local, select the new one, which is stock X1 firmware. Then click update. Now the computer is uploading the firmware not into the controller but into the box. Now it says please unplug the controller. Then you unplug the controller like this and you just plug it back in. Now it's flashing. Now the box is flashing the controller. Now it's done. So all you need to do is reset the box, hold it for a few seconds, release it. Then you can click read. And as you can see now, it's 14.6, meaning we just flashed a new firmware in it. So you're done. All you need to do is unplug it. Then close the app and make sure not to update like this. Sorry, my computer is in French. It's my wife's computer. So hope that helps.